what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneurs who want their content marketing to convert content consumers into paying customers. Now, if you're like, Stacey, I need a content marketing strategy for Instagram that's updated for 2021, plus I run out of ideas a lot. I'm so busy, so what do? Well, no worries, because I'm going to give you a 2021 Instagram content marketing strategy. But before I forget, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get real-world help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. But before I forget, in my recent video, Why You Don't Need to Be Instagram Famous 2021, I explained why you can have a very lucrative business without being famous, viral, or even having enough followers to qualify for the swipe up feature. So that's good news, right? So be sure when you're done watching this video that you check that other video out. Okay, let's get down to my 2021 Instagram content marketing strategy. Tip 1, post daily. I am not saying you have to do a feed post daily, but most certainly you should be creating Instagram content daily. And that's got to involve publishing to your Instagram story a few times a day and a reel once a day. A very deep dive resource kind of feed post, like a carousel loaded with tips, something like that, with a very descriptive caption that doesn't need to be done more than once a week if that's all you can do. You're fine there. I would go live once a week and post the replay as an optimized IGTV video, but honestly, you should cover your Instagram story base 1 to 3 times a day. And that's easy to do since the content you create for your story can be quick and in the moment kind of posts, showing what you're doing behind the scenes, something fast to keep you and your business top of mind. But posting some form of Instagram content daily is just part of my 2021 Instagram content marketing strategy. Next, tip 2, leverage insights. I recommend that all entrepreneurs, no matter their business model, have an Instagram business account, not a personal account. So if you follow that advice, you'll have access to your Instagram insights. Those are analytics that can help you to, amongst other things, see what posts, stories, and so forth your audience is consuming the most, when they're on the app most, and so forth. That information will help guide you with every 7-day period that passes. And you can look back over the previous week so you'll know what to publish and even when to publish it for best results. So don't ignore your analytics. Make sure you check them and make your content marketing decisions moving forward from week to week in light of the data you see. You can't manage what you don't measure, as the saying goes. So that will help to improve your 2021 Instagram content marketing strategy over time. But wait, you've also got tip 3, multiple exposures. It's been said that more than 60% of people need to see something 3 to 4 times before they buy it. So while I would not recommend that you keep reposting the same content, I would say to take a product, let's say, and feature it first in a feed post with a very detailed description. Then I'd spotlight it in a piece of Instagram story content. Then I'd do a quick up to a minute Instagram reel about it. Then I'd have an IGTV video that does a deep dive about it. Then I'd talk about the product and or do a demo of it or use it during a live. See what I mean? Do that and your conversions just might increase. So having a content calendar and planning out your different content creation and publication patterns, so that your products have multiple exposures to your Instagram audience, will help you to showcase products using multiple media types and in different types of content neighborhoods on Instagram too. So this should definitely be part of your 2021 Instagram content marketing strategy. So there you have it. That's my 2021 Instagram content marketing strategy. You need more help? Okay, check out these 2 awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can also help to blow up your business. Enjoy.